My name's Grud.
My name's Harry.
Today we'll be learning how to get your plate onto your finger. So, put up one finger and curl down the rest of them.
And then when you have your finger like that, you slide it up to the top. And then you have your finger spinning the plate.
And make sure to have it in the middle where your stick was. And then you can spin it up again. You can pass the plate to your friend like this.
And then you have to be very careful to put your stick where your friend's stick was.
This is how to throw and catch a plate.
First, you need to get the plate spinning nice and fast.
Second, you want to look at the tip of your stick. Then you want to pop straight up.
While you're coming down, make sure to sync with the plate. And then get it spinning nice and fast again.
If you practice enough, you can throw it up, turn the stick, and turn it back.
Okay, now that you can throw the plate, I'm going to throw the stick and the plate. Now I'm going to throw this plate onto her stick.
Hi, my name is Rachel and we're going to be showing you how to pass a plate under your leg. So first you're going to get it spinning and then it's easier if you hold it at the top and you lift your leg up and you can pass it underneath your leg. But you have to lift your leg up very high. Yeah, it's very fun, especially when we do the unicycling and the stilts.
Jinx, black magic, 1, 2, 3.
Hi, my name is Cormac. I'm going to show you how to pass the plate behind your back and bring it in front again. So you want to put your hands up like this and then flip them over. And then you'll catch the bottom of the stick and then you bring it around, catch it like this. Be sure to try keep it straight and then bring it back and you've done your trick.
Hello, my name is Sarah and I'll be showing spaghetti plate. So you put your palm out, you turn it into your belly button, you bring it up until you can't bring it up anymore and you turn it around your head and face palm out.
Hello, my name is Cormac and I'm about to show you what I call the roly-poly. So basically, I sit down first, then I lie down, back up. I want to roll the full way around, try to keep it spinning, and then carefully get back up, and that's it. It's fun to pass a plate between friends. Ta-da!